You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? We are looking at how to pronounce this word and more confusing vocabulary, including medical terms. Stay tuned, loads to learn here. Meatal, or in American English, meatal. Now, some might pronounce it also as meatal, because in Britain, British English, it's said meatus often. So it could be meatal, or meatal, or meatal. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.